review of robotic ruses, where most gold EAs swing wildly and bleed accounts dry. I've been the Rye ringmaster reigning over the Gold Angel EA on my account for months. And zounds, it's delivered angelic plus 65.41% gains with the calm precision of a heavenly guardian watching over XAUUSD. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the low-frequency angel that turns gold chaos into quiet profits. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Gold Angel EA slinger of sizzles. The zip folder for the Gold Angel EA disrobes with celestial grace. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, installation instructions PDF, and readme text in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Gold Angel EA to XAUUSD on M5, loaded the set file, and it commenced its high-quality, low-frequency entries forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy, DLLS, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might. A scandal sheet of divine intervention. And there the Gold Angel EA parades its plus 65.41%. Absolute gain escapade, turning 10,000 euro deposits into 16,541.47 euro balance with a net profit. 6,541.47 euro amid no withdrawals. Daily 0.01%, monthly 65.41%. Reflecting patient, high-quality compounding, yet the equity curve at 72.88% shows resilient recovery after a controlled dip, containing drawdowns at 53.15%, thanks to its smart trend and price action logic that avoids reckless overtrading. Profitability feels almost blessed, with 553 total trades on EURUSD and related pairs delivering solid pip hauls. Longs and shorts both contributing positively, while win rates sit comfortably in the 39 to 43% range, but average winners significantly outpace losers. Classic low-frequency angel behavior. Get this. Gross profit dominates amid negligible interest drag. The edge from high-quality entries on standard/ECN accounts that compound steadily without emotional interference. Drawdown at 53.15%, yet equity recovered with angelic patience, risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor solid redeems any temporary fall. For every euro risked, you're banking reliable returns. Monthly analytics? A heavenly August 2014 bar at 6,633 euros. Amid earlier modest gains, it's not scalping noise. It's waiting for quality setups with disciplined timing, granting me leisure to sleep instead of staring at screens. Forecast projects steady non-compounding growth to 19.23 thousand euros over 10 years from current equity. Realistic and calm projection. If you're after a gold bot that delivers 65% plus with low trade frequency and high-quality filters, this Gold Angel EA is the undisputed angelic deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Gold Angel EA on MT4 with every tick data on XAUUSDM, 5 last period, and, solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $30,509.52. Gross profits $129,509.85, outpacing losses, minus $99,000.33 for that 1.31 profit factor. Okay, total trades 21. Balanced with shorts at 41.67% wins and longs 66.67%. Overall win rate 52.38%, with max drawdown tame at 0.82% relative. Angelic precision in action, no wild swings, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Gold Angel EA has you as pumped as it has me after months of hands-on golden serenity, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Gold Angel EA strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.